we're gonna step it up a bit more and go for over fenders.
Somebody needs a new old stock Integra front bumper.
10 grand, hit us up.
Integrējam lietas. Integrā.
You know when the part costs 5 times less than the transport? Play stupid games and stupid prizes. Drive rare cars, buy rare parts. So, hi, we're back. The day before the race, as usual, the fourth priority driver's car is being built. So we're on our way to the shop to build the Honda, and the new splitter. Some stuff has happened over the weeks, so we recouped after the crash over the summer break and rebuilt the front. Didn't get a new engine, sold off a few parts, so I'm gonna do the same engine until the end of the year. So, and yeah, some final touches: new bumper, new fenders, new over fenders, and yeah, practice tomorrow, race on Saturday, some more races on Sunday. So it's gonna be an action-packed weekend. So let's go. Let's see how it's gonna go.
Good morning. The Integra project continues. So, since all this crash, we got it all straightened out as much as it could be in the short time span that we did have. This thing was all mangled up into here. The other side was also crushed in. The whole radiator support was just disintegrated. As you can see here, it's just mangled up. And yeah, so it's coming along together. This thing is brand new from, I don't know, some aftermarket one, but whatever. Looks good, fits good, everything works. The suspension is back together. We had an issue with this arm, but we got that new. So yeah, today the guys are gonna come and change the windshield. I think that's gonna happen today. The engine is supposedly all fine, but I mean, we won't know until it will be on the track. So let's see how that goes. But right now, the main goal, fenders. Since the previous fenders got buckled up quite bad as well, and they weren't in the best shape from the start, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna do something a bit different. Here is the replacement fenders that we have. They had these universal flares on them, something like that. But we're gonna step it up a bit more and go for over fenders. So this is something pretty cool. I'm gonna let you guys guess what car this is from, what manufacturer or whatever. But this is the new plan. Basically mold this on to that old fender because we want to get as much airflow as we can here and get a bit of width. So we'll see how it goes. So we did the first provisional cuts just to see how it goes here, and looks pretty good. Doesn't fit too bad actually. I think we can work with this. So yeah, as you can see, we're gonna have to trim here where the door is, about that much I think. But right now, if you look at the wheel and the arch, the fender is quite a bit forward from the wheel, so I want to move that back a bit and get this part here as flush as we can to the chassis itself, so we have more room for clearance for the wheel, and so it just looks better. And then we have to figure out how wide do we make it, because this right now is, I think, I don't know, by feel probably like plus 10 centimeters or 100 millimeters. which I think is a bit too wide for the Honda. So probably gonna have to chop it like somewhere here. Maybe even make this whole fender two-piece. So like this part is separate, that stays mounted on. And then maybe cut it here and move it back or something like that. So a couple more cuts later, and I split these two parts in half. Since this is gonna be easier, at least in my head, because this thing is super wide now and we don't need it that wide. We're planning on getting plus 10 millimeters from the stock width. So yeah, I'm gonna have to improvise something here and hope that the fender holds up. But here, all the bottom parts are pretty good. They sit quite well. I mean, obviously needs some fine tuning still, but at least it's all mocked up. Alright, the fender is somewhat mounted. Yeah, it wasn't so easy as planned. It took quite a bit of work. And if we were to fiberglass this all over, then I think this would be a pretty good base. But since we probably don't have time for that, then we'll have to just trim as much as we can to make it look somewhat decent. Maybe probably put some fiberglass here to make it a bit cooler. It's not great. I would like to have it a bit more deeper inside, but not sure if that's gonna work. So for now, this will probably have to do, but we'll see. Let's take it off now and
Okay, son, he's painted. I'll send a shirt or a hat or something to someone who will tell what these fenders are. Except those 3 people who know, who are told to. I know.
so the fenders are done. Bumper is painted, fenders are painted.
Somebody needs a new old stock Integra front bumper.
10 grand, hit us up.
Yes.
Now it's on to all the other things.
Ir īstā tēma.
It might be a wet race.
Do we have a tool?
Yes.
Yes? Already
Yes.
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 Where we at?
It says for your home, garden and racing. That now it's racing. Yeah.
We're going for racing parts.
We're going to get racing parts. I will show you where the air dam for the splitter comes from. Let's go. So, air dams come in 2 different sizes. The wide one we used before and the narrow one. Yeah. So for €1.65 you can get either a small one or a big one. So, this is where air dams come from, actually.
Ice cream.
Your favorite? Meža zemenīte. Tāda bērnībā. kaut kā tāpēc, ka filmā.
Es visu vilku, tad vispār ar...
Vajadzēs šito iztulkot.
Jā.
Ja rociņas vājas, tad arī ņem tos instrumentus. Var jau arī paskrūvēt.
He's calling me weak.
Some plus 18 material.
How does it feel like stroking something cylindric? The big black thing. Anyhow. Some more Liberty, some no more new parts. This is new. Hat imported from US. You know when the part costs 5 times less than the transport.
How much was it?
60 euros.
Just the part?
Yep.
And shipping?
280. Yeah. It's like they're saying, play stupid games and stupid prizes. Drive rare cars, buy rare parts. It was meant to be fun. Just another YouTube project. We're gonna race, we're gonna win. We haven't won even. So, yeah.
Integrējam lietas. Integrā.
Mēs šajā mašīnā mēs visu tikai integrējam.
Should atstāt?
Nē, vai kapatā izvar caurums, izlaid uz dāru.
Hello, hello.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
Missed you guys. No driving for me. We'll see how the others do. Well, this is already doing great. Preparing for wet race. That's it, I guess.
How are you this past month? What did you do?
What do I do? Same old, same old. I don't know.
We have some special guests tonight.
Secret stuff.
There are possibly some things after the crash that we didn't know.
Now we have new guys, drift guys coming for the endurance racing, which is... We are the only ones on the grid with the rain tires ready to put them on.
Driving like on simulator.